First, use a screwdriver to loosen the terminal screws. Connect both ends of the U-shaped wire to the doorbell terminals, then tighten the screws. Connect the fuse wire to your existing doorbell wire. Then secure the connection with a wire connector. Take one end of the prepared transformer wire, connect it to the doorbell fuse. Then secure the connection with a wire connector. Then connect the other end of the transformer wire to the other doorbell wire. Then secure the connection with a wire connector. Connect the power to the transformer. Connect the USB Type-C plug to the USB port, and then plug in the power supply.